Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hey, today I'm going to be talking about how to fast for longer periods of time and tips on how you can do that, because sometimes it's hard to fast for 24 hours, 48 hours, or even 72 hours or longer. So I'm here to give you tips. If you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And guys, like this video if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. The algorithm really does like the likes in the comments. Leave me some comments. Let's talk, you know, in the comment section. I know I'm just fixing my hair, y'all. I'm just trying to get it to look right on camera. Anyway, so yeah. Today, I'm going to tell you about some things that I do to help me fast for longer periods of time. Because as you know, the benefits of fasting happen at 17 hours. That is when autophagy kicks in, cell rejuvenation, healing happens, mental clarity starts to happen. You start to detox away all of those things that have been in your system. So it gets a little bit harder. And not only does it get a little bit harder, it's hormones start to come into play. All types of things happen. So I am here to give you some tips on how to fast for longer periods of time. So let me just start by saying, the day before you decide to fast, go on and load up on protein and fats. Stop eating carbs, let the sugars go, start trying to let some of that stuff go, because it will impede you from fasting for longer periods of time. So, okay, so the night before or the day before, even the afternoon before, you're going to start fasting for, say, I'm going to say 72 hours in this case. Go on and load up on proteins and good fats, like protein with avocado or egg with avocado, or salmon with some type of avocado salad or anything like that. Your nuts, your legumes, all of that. Something with a lot of protein and fat substance, okay? That day before, you can have a coffee with coconut oil in it, or whatever it is that you use for your additional fats. I like olive oil dribbled on my salad, nuts in my salad, all types of protein added to my salad. That's chicken breast or salmon, or if you like steak and meats like that, which I don't particularly like. I'm not a big, well, I'll eat it. Don't get me wrong. I eat what I want to eat. So don't get that, you know, I just do. That's the life I lead. I eat what I want to eat, but I'm very conscious of what I like and don't like, and what works for my body and what doesn't. And I'm just not a big steak or meat eater. Yeah. Never have been. So, but anyway, the night before, you want to do protein, okay? So load up on protein that day or night before. Also, go on and get ready to empty out your GI system. So take some type of Smooth Move tea, some type of I use ballerina tea. That helps to clear out my system. And then that morning, I'll drink some lemon water, and that helps too. All right. So first thing is to load up the day before on protein and fats. And then that evening, go on and try to get your system clear to start getting ready to fast. And then the next day, go on and start drinking your water with lemon, whether that's cold water, warm water, or whatever. But I'm going to tell you, for me, what helps me to continue to fast longer and make me feel fuller is having a cup of hot water with lemon in it. And for whatever reason, it just makes me feel fuller. So that helps. Water with lemon is another trick to help you. If you start feeling like you're having some type of headache, or you're feeling a little bit weak, also I recommend Redmond's salt or pink Himalayan salt. A good quality salt put it on your tongue, a decent amount, not a lot to make you gag or anything like that, but I just put some in my hand and I just lick it off my hand. That's what I do. And that helps me to continue on my fast. It helps me to stay longer within the fast, okay? So that is helpful as well. Once you hit that period where you're starting to feel like you're detoxing from the sugar, from the caffeine, from all of those things, you may start getting a headache. And when your body starts reacting and you don't feel comfortable, you kind of want to quit. Like, oftentimes we'll want to stop fasting because of the uncomfortable feeling that we have with fasting. And I'm telling you, you don't have to feel uncomfortable. You can use Redmond salt or pink Himalayan salt and water, and make sure that you're overhydrating throughout the day. Okay, and make sure you're able to empty your bladder and you're in a good position to do that. Also, setting yourself up for longer fast means that you're paying attention to your time. You're paying attention to what your schedule is like and what you can actually do to fast. So what I mean is, if you know you're going to have a busy week with a lot of meetings with food, a lot of meetings with friends, a lot of social, don't start your fast during that time. It's just going to make you feel like you're a failure and you cannot do it. Do your fasting when it's a time where you know you have time, you're in control of your time, maybe even a weekend. Start on a Thursday night and go on through the weekend. That might help you. A lot of times on the weekend, I'm very social and I do a lot of eating on the weekend. So that wouldn't work really well for me unless I just really was like, okay, y'all, I'm not eating. I am fasting and praying and meditating and doing all the things that I need to do to be successful. So really, those are the tips. Let's go over them one more time before I let you guys go for the day. So that is protein and fat the day before. Start decreasing your carbs, kind of do like a keto type of diet or whatever the day before. Load up so you feel fuller. That evening, go on and get your ballerina tea or your smooth move tea to empty your GI system. The next day, hot water or warm water with lemon to make yourself feel fuller or satiated. Add some type of good quality salt, Redmond salt or pink Himalayan salt. I've only heard about Redmond salt from my friends who also do long 72-hour fasts, such as myself. But I use pink Himalayan salt and that works for me. Make sure your environment is good, your social calendar is clear, and you're able to be successful. I'm Dr. Jamesia. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.